Turning now to the pandemic, COVID-19 vaccinations are officially available for educators in Oregon. Well, now some frontline workers are wondering when it will be their turn. Fox 12's Drew Reeves spoke with concerned transit workers who say they come into contact with hundreds of people every day and could be driving infected people to hospitals, but they can't get their shots yet.
I spoke to the president of Amalgamated Transit Union 757, which represents TriMet employees here in Portland. She says that many of her members are scared of catching this virus and feel like they're getting left behind. Shirley Block says members of her union say it's not fair that they have to work without getting access to the vaccine right now. She says many of her drivers live in fear because they operate buses that stop at hospitals and clinics, possibly driving COVID-19 infected people daily. She says many of them don't feel safe doing their jobs, so much so that some just can't come to work right now.
A lot of them are in fear. A lot of them, I had quite a few of them that took the COVID leave. Some of them, especially the ones, they're older ones, they don't know if they're going to go back to work because they can't get the vaccine because they're at an age group where they don't quite qualify for it, the 65 and over, but yet they're still 58 to 60 years old. They want the vaccine as well.
Block said that when they were making the COVID-19 plans for vaccinations, she hoped bus drivers would be included in the 1A group. However, some of her union members will have the opportunity to get vaccines. Right now, school bus drivers are able to get vaccinated in the effort to get children back to school safely and as soon as possible. Block says that she hopes that the rest of the transit industry can get moved up higher to get vaccines more quickly. The governor's office says the Vaccine Advisory Committee is deliberating now on when those frontline workers, like transit workers, will be able to get the vaccine. Reporting in Southeast Portland, Drew Reeves, Fox 12 Oregon.